We're getting coffee. We're getting coffee.
This is awesome. It's like 6:50 in the morning and there's a little tiny drive-through espresso joint open.
Is it already 6:50?
6:51. Hey, we're gonna be at the mountain really early. We were gonna be waking up at 6. We woke up at 4 for some reason. I'm not tired. I'm feeling pumped, ready for 2,716 feet of elevation gain. Woohoo!
Yes.
Geocaches and yee.
And coffee.
And coffee. Must have coffee. White mocha.
On the way to hike number 12!
Oh wait, no, that's not. Hike number 12! We're going
52
to Lake
hike
Serene.
challenge!
Lake Serene! Finally! Oh, I've been waiting for too long for this. For when they do reopen finally.
And I am sad to inform you that, the squirt is not with us today.
We have heard of people actually getting legit hurt for not being properly prepared on the final push.
Well, not just that, but I mean, it's really high elevation and steep climb, and it's supposed to be quite snowy and icy up there. Yes. I love my life! I love my
this mountain.
Me too. We are back. Waterfalls, Lake Serene, all that stuff. We're gonna hear and and maybe even
maybe 2,700. Either way, really high. It's in my pocket. Just double checking. That one.
Here's where our journey begins. Our journey on Mount Index. So Lake Serene trailhead. We will pass through the dense woods. We'll make our way to Lake Serene. The town of Index is a riverside hamlet in the shadow of 5,979-foot Mount Index in Snohomish County. The area was home to the Skyla people before European immigrants came to mine the surrounding mountains and log the heavily forested valley bottom. The Skyla people are a tribe of southern Coast Salish indigenous people of the Pacific Northwest. The Skyla are one of 9 bands of Tawana people. Historically, they were hunters, fishers, and gatherers who had nomadic lifestyles during the warmer months while living in more permanent homes during the winter months. The Treaty of Point Elliot, signed in January 1855 at Mukilteo, created a single reservation at Tooele for the indigenous peoples living along the Snohomish, the Skykomish, and the Snoqualmie River. That was the beginning of the end of the Skykomish people, the extended group of families for whom the river was named. For there are no people left who identify themselves as purely Skykomish. In the late 1880s, prospectors looking for gold, silver, lead, and copper followed Ferguson and Caddy's rough trail on their way to the mining areas of Silver Creek. By April 1890, Amos D. Gunn and his wife Persis had purchased a squatter's claim which held a small log cabin serving as a miner's hotel, Caddy Lodge. Mount Index was once known as West Index Mountain, and Bering Mountain was known as Mount Index instead. They were both renamed in 1917. Back in 1898, the promise of mineral wealth brought prospectors to Mount Index. A number of exploratory tunnels were dug before claims were staked. The Index Mining Company had the largest concentration of claim. Most of the work was on the 16-to-1 claim, which included 3 tunnels, each hewn from the rock at progressively higher elevations. The largest was at the lowest elevation, and can still be accessed today. Copper ore was mined and sent down the mountain to Index. The mine was then abandoned in 1949 when the Lake Serene Mining Company took over and worked the claim until 1951. For this reason, the mine is sometimes referred to as the Lake Serene Mine. As for the Honeymoon Line, less is known about it.
Halfway up the tree. Or not halfway up the tree.
I does not see it, Ivy.
8 feet up.
It's just a tree.
No, there's a squirrel on that little branch.
Oh, it's looking at us. You're so cute. Good eyes.
3rd time back at Mount Index. And I can't lie. Oh, I am pumped. yay, we're back at the fun bit. Oh, the river crossings and the rocks and... Oh look, there's the sign where the split off is to Waterfalls and Lake Serene. 2 miles to go to Lake Serene. Yeehaw. Now for the best angle of all.
place is magic.
We've reached the spot where crampons are necessary. So we're gonna change into those. So these are Microspikes. As you can see, they have spikes on the bottom. There is no right or left. They're very straightforward. A good pair of these particular kind, these are Catula, will run you about 75 bucks. Okay, so they literally just go on like that. Then you take this little tab here, pull it all the way around. And these are on.
Yay. Right. Oh, look at all the white waves. See how deep it is. Stay on.
Now you can't really see this, it's blurry. There's a tiny little spider dude. I'm gonna get him out of the way before he ends up going on somebody. This tree is so big it doesn't fit in my frame, but look at this. It's like twisted on the way up. Oh, that is so cool. You step that way, if you step this way, there's nowhere to step. Remember, mountain hiking can kill you. this is zoomed in really far. That dude is pretty well on the lake, which you're not actually allowed to do. And a freaking avalanche literally just came down there. What the hell is this guy doing? Is he all the way out there for a fucking selfie? This has been so much fun. That was so great up there. The sun is back out shining. Yay. We are on our way back down.
It's weird because like when we first got back into the shade after walking in the snow, everything looked green and red, like in all the snow spot, the light spots, they were pink. It was so pretty.
Yes.
But I know it's an effect of all the snow, like partial snow blindness.
Something like that. Well, the great Wonder Wifey and I have taken off our crampons and put our regular things back on our poles, and we are making our way down Intro. So we just came from way the fuck up there, like way up, and we've still got way down to go. Is Wavy having fun? So in retrospect, what you see behind us way the hell up there, that's where we just were. Back at the sign. We're back at the sign.
That was so fun.
Hey, we still got at least another mile, whatever, till the, or a mile and a half or so to get to the gate. Are you having fun? I love my wavy.
We are making our way to the mines of Moria. As you can tell, this trail is a little bit less used. Oh, gorgeous. We're gonna have to do some maneuvering in here. No one's been here today. There's no fresh footprints. We gotta find our way to a clearing. Luckily, there's snow in spots, so we can follow our footprints back.
Right?
Because it's easy to get lost out here. Pretty sure this is the clearing-ish. We're gonna listen for the creek and head to that. I think we found the way. It's pretty sketchy right here. This here is Independence Mine.
Wow.
So I'm just actually at the entrance to the mine. I'm not inside. This is Independence Mine. It's just over maybe a yard and a quarter tall. It's really, really tiny. That is just wild. I would love to know what's around that corner, but oh my gosh, that would just be so dangerous.
There's the memorial. So this is where it happened.
Scott Bennett, Tim Skadden, Fred Petrie. Sorry if I pronounced that wrong. Died December 1996.
We hope this brings you peace. All three of you. So apparently this meets up to the Bridal Fall, shit. Yeah, that one. Heading off trail. Is that it? Oh, cool. This might be the gully. Yes, and there's a big waterfall up here. This is it.
Oh my god.
Oh, this is so exciting. Oh. I see it. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Honeymoon Line. Really cool though. Too bad it's not open.
Welcome to Honeymoon Line. All barred off, as you can see. There's the entrance. It's a small little cave. It's up into a world of wonders and unknowns. Oh yes, I'm able to stand clear in here. Beautiful rock specimens here. It's really hoping to check this place out because I really want to do a peacock board. Yo, look at that thing. Oh, that's a spike up here.
Since we're so close. Yeah, we're so close to the falls, we might as well stop there too. Oh. Woo!
We found one! Oh my gosh, we've only missed 2?
Well, one of them we couldn't find because it was buried in 30 inches of snow. The other one, I just think it was missing.
Right. This is a good case. And I'm glad wifey brought a pen.
I did. I brought a pen. Pin.
Okie dokie. So we are going to be leaving one of our pewter pirate coins that we made at home. They're a hobby of mine. It weighs a good bit. It's lead free, so if you find it, enjoy it. I hope it brings you some good fortune or good luck or just a really cool fancy piece of pirate booty. Wow. There is.
So what do we have?
Some glow-in-the-dark macho dude. A cute little mouse with cheese. There's a penny from 1996. And there's one from 2017. RosieFern.com.
I like the macho guy.
Okay,
the macho guy's cute.
Well, if you can have the macho guy, we'll take that.
You get the macho guy. We're gonna put this macho guy somewhere else.
Hold on. March. What's the date today? What's the date today? What's the date today?
Saturday?
March 27th, 2021, Skyla Studioz YouTube channel, left pirate coin. Sealed up.
And back in the studio. Oh, not the fun.
We're doing the descent again. Oh, this has been so much fun. But I'm looking forward to getting down to a lower altitude where it's a bit warmer.
We have hiked all over this damn mountain today.
Oh my gosh.
We made it back. There's some really loud frogs. We made it back. Oh my gosh, we did so much this one.
Wait, if you hurt her shoulder.
I did. Yeah, because I had tripped. My pants leg caught a stick, and I was gonna go face first down into some pointy, sticky up sticks, and that would have been bad. But I stuck to myself with the hiking pole, and it pulled my shoulder backwards when I did that. So
that was not fun.
No, it hurt, but we're okay. And we had an amazing time.
I never thought we'd actually get Lake Serene, Bridalveil Falls, 2 mines, and a geocache all in the same day.
We did good.
Wow, this
that
was
was
fun.
So fun.
So for those of you who are looking forward to this hike, thank you so much for your patience, and we're so glad, we really hope you enjoy it, or enjoyed it. Pretend.
Yes.
Anywho. You know what to do now if you really enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, like buttons down there and all that stuff. Hit the notification bell, share it on your various social medias, check out our Facebook, our Instagram, and our Twitter. If you have any comments or suggestions, put those below. And wifey is wanting to point there so that you can see our other hikes. And if
there for the other hikes.
And over here for foraging videos and stuff. And then if you go down here, you can check out our channel and all our videos and whatnot. So, thank you for watching.
Yes, thank you for watching. Bye.
Have a great day. Or night, wherever the hell you are.